Q216-26.
CSX Q217 or 216-26. East 1 to 3, be approaching me.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1.
Well, let you guys know. Hang on, let me do this part. You can hear me better. Well, I-135, 28 just past Ashland, about a minute ago or so. He does have the 3194 on him. Well, since there's nothing in front of him, he's gonna be here shortly. Well, it takes about from when he gets past towards Hinesville Y. It's about 3 hours ish. So I might go down there, but the question, I'm 50-50 about that. Oh, you guys got another first time. But he does have the 3194 on him. But as a mid dip heel, I don't know if I'm catching it again. I've seen it so many times. Like, I did I did check with a good friend of mine with which Q216-26 is. He hasn't left yet out of the Philly. He hasn't left yet, so he's not leaving until another hour and 20 minutes ish. Well, 372 is on the way. He passed Rio about an hour ago, so he should be here about another hour, give or take about a minute. So I might go down Highfield after 372, but I don't know yet. I really don't know. This engines. Market in a hard place. Since 135 is moving pretty good, there's no trains in front of him that I know of. He could be up here sooner. So oh, at this point, I have no idea right now. Another one? Oh, I should have went to Ashland. I should have. I wonder if this is southbound or northbound. Sorry guys, I'm watching Ashland live. Ashland Cam live. Check out Fortune Well Fan. Big shout out for him. Who's this coming? Not sure, is it northbound or southbound? I what? I should go to an airline. Is this thing? Question is when? When's I going down? I don't know. I'll figure something out. Maybe this weekend. Maybe, I don't know. Depends how the weather is. Reason why he's slowing down because he's going to do some switching at Lansdowne. He can put his mid to up front with his lead engine is. And if I understand correctly, they make everything legal. I don't know. Southbound, okay, so. No Belgium is crossing down the Ashland. It's a southbound. Question is, who is it? Is it mix? Is it coal? Is it?
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 468. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 468. End of transmission.
It looks like it might be 415, but I can't tell. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.